Normally the functionality of a standard roller shutter would be to secure one's premises, one's assets, and to limit the flow from personnel or from vehicles. In the fire-rated roller shutter, it was specifically designed to try and restrict airflows and for the shutter to descend in the event of a fire. Fire-rated doors usually don't have a mechanism such as chain or gear operation. In the event of a fire, the door needs to be able to descend by itself after having sensing the fire to limit the airflows. Our first door was tested as a normally open door. This means that the door will remain open under normal circumstances. As soon as the temperature rises above 100 degrees Celsius, the door will automatically descend. The second fire-rated roller shutter which we tested, the Supreme fire-rated roller shutter, was tested with an electric motor as to enable operation of the door on a day-to-day basis, but with the functionality to automatically descend in the event of a fire. The primary trigger of the mechanism is the smoke detector that would trigger the motor, and the second trigger is a fail-safe mechanism in the event that the smoke detector does not trigger due to limited smoke, malfunction, power failures, or excessive rapid heat elevation, at which point the fusible link fuse will diffuse, allowing the brake of the motor to be released and gravity to take over for the automatic descent of the door. Generally speaking, it's the architects that will dictate whether the door must be a fire-rated or a conventional door, after consultation with the fire engineers on any given design or site. Warehouses in areas greater than 2,500 square meters are generally subject to extensive sprinkler systems due to fire regulation. One of the available options which one has with fire regulation is to divide the premises in different areas and to regulate the airflow or the spread of a fire through the apertures within those two areas. In South Africa, the highest rating that one can get on non-insulated roller shutters or conventional roller shutters is a grade C. This means that the roller shutter has undergone an 120-minute fire test at which the shutter has been burned at 1,000 degrees. Fire Lab tested our doors according to the regulations in the South African national standards stipulated in SANS 1253 and SANS 10177. The team at Fire Lab are strict but professional, and we are fully satisfied that the testing process was done in depth to reassure us that our belief in our product is not biased, but well warranted. We are satisfied now that the fire door option we will offer our clientele will protect our clients' interests adequately, and that this added product to our range also complies to not only client requirements, but also the South African Bureau of Standards expectations.